Welcome to my 31 days of summer barbecue. Now we have tons of barbecue recipes coming out over the next month. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss a trick and you catch every single one. Day 3, Caprese pasta salad. Let's get it. You can't have a barbecue without a pasta salad. Now, some people think this is where the salads take a dip. I personally think this is where you can make a massive impact where it comes to flavor. Balsamic, honey, garlic, mozzarella, tomato. We're kind of working on the flavors of a caprese here, but we're bringing them into something more substantial. First thing you want to do is get your pasta boiled. I've got a pan of boiling water here. I'm just going to add salt. You can use any pasta that you want. I like this one, the curly one, fusilli. If you want penne, if you want the little bows, you can have whatever you want. I wouldn't have spaghetti, to be honest, but any other pasta really is on the cards. I'm just gonna put this on the back here to boil away. Now, when it comes to any sort of salad, you've really got to work on your dressing. When we're talking dressings for this, I wanna go balsamic. So get a good aged balsamic vinegar straight into your bowl. Now, balsamic has got sweetness, but I want to add a little bit more. I'm going to go honey. It brings an extra level of flavor. It brings an extra level of balance. Now we hit it with S&P. And last but not least, when you're making your dressing, garlic. So you get a good clove of that, microplaned over. Microplanes are like mini graters. They really smash up the food and extract the flavor. And we're going to add our oil and mix this together. And what you'll start to see is the balsamic starts to get thick, starts to homogenize, starts to emulsify and mix with the oil. And I'm just mixing this with a spoon. I'm not whisking it. You can whisk it. It all starts to thicken and you start to get that iconic dressing look. Next thing is the mozzarella. Now, the cheapest way to buy mozzarella is in a big ball. So I get some of this. You can use the cubes or the more hard set mozzarella if you so wish. But I've had this out of the water, out of the milky way that it comes in for about 2 hours just on a piece of paper or a J-cloth and just get that diced up. We've got the mozzarella. This wouldn't be a pasta salad without tomatoes. And this time of year, cherry tomatoes are absolutely popping. So just take a few of those off of the vine. And this could be heirloom tomato. If you've got tomatoes growing in your garden, don't feel like you're just trapped and only can use cherry tomato. If you like other tomatoes and you have other tomatoes available, just chop these straight in half. Our pasta's done. It's been boiling now for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to drain this off in the sink. So we've poured away all of that hot water. Now we're going to refill with cold and just wash it a couple of times. This will help the excess starch get off the outside of the pasta and really cool it down to stop the cooking. With our pasta drained, we've got everything now ready to build the salad. Pasta into your bowl. And you can do this any order you want, but next up for me is tomatoes, straight in and over. Then this beautiful diced mozzarella over the top. Now, if we're talking caprese, we've got tomato, we've got mozzarella. We can't continue without basil, and that comes in the form of this beautiful Genoese basil. Now, if you cut your basil, you'll leave all the flavor on the board. So what I like to do is pick it, tear it, and bang it straight into your salad. Really rustic. This is all about the flavor, not necessarily about the aesthetic. Although we are ripping them, I don't want to bruise them, so just gently tear them apart so they don't lose their color and lose their bounce once they're in the salad. And this is where our stunning, punchy, sweet, acidic, astringent with that heat from the garlic dressing comes in. So give that a stir, pour that all over the top, and then with a spoon, just toss that around. Hit it with a good pinch of black pepper, just for good luck. Then all that's left to do is grab a bowl, dish up. And you've got those stunning colors, that stunning flavor from the dressing, which is really the star of the show in this, all working in unison. Let's get that all dished up into your bowl. Arrange that basil slightly, just so you can see it. And there you have it, an absolutely stunning pasta salad, jam-packed full of flavor. The sweetness from the tomato, that creamy luxuriousness from the mozzarella, the herbaceousness from that basil, with the punch of garlic and a good hit of black pepper. This is a stunning pasta salad, good enough for your great British summer barbecue. Avango!